Hi y'all, welcome to MEA'S place, where we usually, if you're just joining this channel, we usually just do book reviews, some readings, and other stuff. Today I want to share with you some devotional reading from the Bible today that I usually do, in the mornings or when I have time. Today I would like to share with you from the book of Ezra, chapter 5, which it states, work on the temple resumed. Then the prophets Haggai the prophet and Zechariah the son of Iddo prophesied unto the Jews that were in Judah and Jerusalem in the name of the God of Israel, even unto them. Then rose up Zerubbabel the son of, and I'm going to butcher these Middle Eastern names, I do apologize in advance, Shealtiel, and Jeshua the son of Jozadak, and began to build the house of God, which is at Jerusalem, and with them were the prophets of God helping them. Attempt made to stop work. At the same time came to them Tattenai, governor of this side the river, and Shelthabaznai and their companions, and said thus unto them, Who hath commanded you to build this house, and to make up this wall? Then said we unto them after this manner, What are the names of the men that make this building? But the eye of their God was upon the elders of the Jews, that they could not cause them to cease till the matter came to Darius, and then they returned an answer by letter concerning this matter. A letter to Darius. The copy of the letter that Tattenai, governor of this side the river, and Shelthabaznai and his companions, the Alphracites, which were on this side of the river, said unto Darius the king. They sent a letter unto him, wherein was written thus, Unto Darius the king all peace. Be it known unto the king that we went into the province of Judah to the house of the great God, which is built with great stones, and timber is laid in the walls, and this work goeth fast on and prosperous in their hands. Then asked we those elders, and said unto them, Thus who commanded you to build this house, and to make up these walls? We asked their names also, to certify thee, that we might write the names of the men that were the chief of them. And thus they returned us answers, saying, We are the servants of the God of heaven and earth, and build the house that was built these many years ago, which a great king of Israel built and set up. But after that our fathers had provoked the God of heaven unto wrath, he gave them into the hand of Nebuchadnezzar, the king of Babylon, the Chaldean, who destroyed this house and carried the people away into Babylon. But in the first year of Cyrus, the king of Babylon, the same king Cyrus made a decree to build this house of God. And the vessels also of gold and silver of the house of God, which Nebuchadnezzar took out of the temple, that was in Jerusalem, and brought them into the temple of Babylon. Those did Cyrus the king take out of the temple of Babylon, and they were delivered unto one whose name was Sheshbazzar, whom he had made governor, and said unto him, Take these vessels, go, carry them into the temple that is in Jerusalem, and let the house of God be built in this place. Then came the same I can talk, I just need to pronounce it, Sheshbazzar, and laid the foundation of the house of God, which is in Jerusalem, and since that time, even until now, hath it been in building, and yet it is not finished. Now therefore it is seemed good to the king, let there be search made in the king's treasure house, which is there at Babylon, whether it be so that a decree was made of Cyrus the king to build this house of God at Jerusalem, and let the king send his pleasure to us concerning this matter. That concludes our daily reading of Ezra chapter 5. And if you do like what you are listening to, please give a thumbs up to this channel and subscribe. And I am an affiliate to Amazon, so I will leave links to t-shirts in the description below. That is God is My Refuge t-shirts, Love Like Jesus, God is Good, It Is Well With My Soul t-shirts, Waymaker t-shirts, Forged in His Strength t-shirts, and The Stone Was Rolled Away, He Is Alive t-shirts. I will leave links in the description below to these t-shirts. And also, if you need a good study Bible, I will leave some links to the MacArthur study Bible that I recommend to understand some of these hard passages. Until next time, God bless you in everything that you do.